this is Carla with WTI. Now, I wanted to show you guys my really cool, nice protective case that I got for my Nintendo Switch Lite. This is from ProCase store, and this is the flip cover. Now, my Nintendo Switch Lite is color yellow, and as you can see, the color just goes super well with it. And it is very slim, it's not too bulky, and I can really fit this anywhere. And the cool part about this is that it comes with screen protector, so you could go ahead and install the screen protector as well. And as you can see from like the flip cover, it's magnetic on the back, so you can remove this easily. So if you don't want this, if you want to remove it, if you want to cover it, you can do that easily. It's nothing hard to do. And it fits very comfortably on my Nintendo Switch, as you can see. Very nice. It just feels so like normal, and I can really use my Nintendo Switch Lite comfortably on my hands. So if you're looking for a slim protective case that you want for your Nintendo Switch Lite, I highly recommend this one from ProCase, and that is my point of view.